In this guide, I'm going to show you the best ways to fix that "something went wrong playing chapter" error on Disney+. Let's get right into it. Method 1. Check Disney+ servers. Before making any changes to your device or account, you should verify if the problem is with Disney+ or your end. To do this, you can use third-party tools like Downdetector to check the current status of Disney+ servers. You can also view the past issues that the platform has encountered on the website. If the servers are down, the best thing to do is wait for Disney to address the problem. Method 2. Check if your device is supported. Although Disney+ is available to many operating systems, not all devices are supported, which can cause problems if you run the application on them. Visit Disney+ Help Center and verify if the platform supports your current device. If you are using an unsupported device, consider getting a new one compatible with Disney+ or using a browser to access the platform. Method 3. Test by watching another show. If you see that "something went wrong" error on Disney+ when playing a title, consider picking another show on the library. Some shows on the platform can encounter unexpected problems and become unplayable for a certain period. Pick a random movie or TV show on Disney+ and check if it will play without any error messages. Method 4. Re-log in to your account. On your device, open the Disney+ app. Now, tap on your avatar to access your profile. Finally, tap on Log Out. If you are using other devices, access the Disney+ website using a web browser. Next, point the cursor to your avatar to view the drop-down menu. After that, click on the Account tab. Finally, click on Log Out of all devices to sign out of your account. After signing out of your Disney+ account, wait for 2 to 3 minutes before logging back in. Use the app for several minutes to check if the error message would still occur. Method 5. Lower the stream quality. On the Disney+ app, tap on your avatar located at the bottom navigation bar. Now, tap on App Settings. After that, open the Wi-Fi Data Usage tab and change the settings to save data. Do the same thing for cellular data usage. After that, open the Wi-Fi Data Usage tab and change the settings to save data. Do the same thing for cellular data usage. Method 6. Power cycle device and router.
Unplug your device and router's power cable from the outlet for at least 3 minutes and plug it back in afterward. Once done, rerun the test to confirm if the restart fixed the problem. Method 7. Turn off VPN.
VPNs are third-party applications that provide security over your local network and give you unrestricted access to the internet. They work by making changes to your default IP address and filtering the data in and out of your device. However, not all VPNs do this process efficiently and could cause instability and interruptions to your network connection. As a result, your device won't be able to communicate with Disney+ properly, explaining that "something went wrong" error message.
To fix this, turn off any VPN service you have before accessing Disney+. Method 8. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Search browsers store temporary data on your device, which are called caches and cookies. Your browser uses this data to improve its performance and speed up the website's loading times. Unfortunately, caches and cookies accumulate over time and get corrupted. If you experience problems on the websites you visit, clear your browsing data to eliminate corrupted files. Method 9. Clear Disney+ app data, Android. If you see that "something went wrong" error on the Disney+ app for Android, some of its data may have gotten corrupted. Application data contains your account details, the shows you've been watching, and other vital information that helps the app function as it should. After clearing Disney+ app data, re-access your account and check if the error message would still occur. Method 10. Update Disney+. Updates are an integral part of any application, which keeps them optimized for most devices and patches any errors that may have occurred. If you encounter unexpected error messages on Disney+, try to update the app to fix the problem. Method 11. Reinstall Disney+. If updating Disney+ did not work, try to reinstall the app on your device. Some of its installation files may have gotten corrupted during a failed update or when the servers went down. Method 12. Reconfirm billing details on Disney+. First, launch the Disney+ app or website. Then, tap or hover over your profile avatar. Next, once the menu is open, select Account. After that, on the Account page, under Subscription, choose your subscription type. On the next page, check and reconfirm your payment information or subscription details. Then, if changes need to be made, click Change. Next, enter your correct payment information. Finally, double-check the entered information and click Save. Method 13. Report the problem to Disney+. At this point, I suggest asking the help of Disney+ support if the error message still occurs on your device. Go to their help center and contact their team from there. Give all the details about the problem, your account information, the device you use, and the movie or TV show you are trying to watch. You can also browse their guides and see if you can find any answers.